A very good morning, student. Jai Gurudev. Today we will discuss Unit 4 Roman numerals. In our previous class, already discussed rules for writing Roman numeral. Okay. Today we will start exercise 4. Before start the exercise 4, you have to remember this one symbol. This one symbol we used for Roman numeral against this one value. Therefore, here 1 for I, 5 for V, 10 for X, 50 for L, 100 for C, 500 for D, 1000 for M. And here some rules also given. This one already discussed in previous class. Okay, that's why here rules. And this one also important rule. What rule? A, the symbol written in the right side of the greater value. If we write the symbol right side of the greater value, here 5 V is greater than I. Okay, that's why this greater than right side if we write, then what happen? Add each value. Then this one is 8 with 5. Okay, and similarly in this next one, if symbol is written in the left side of the greater value, here this one I is right in left side of the greater value B. That's why in this case subtract is value from the this one value. Okay, that is the difference between subtraction and addition. And here I, C, X, C can be used for addition and subtraction only. Okay. Similarly, rule 6 symbol smaller value is written between two symbol. Okay, two symbol smaller value is written here. This value is written between these two value. And here given X can be added or subtract from L and C only. Similarly, C can be added or subtract from D and M only. And here symbol I can be added or subtract from symbol 5 and X only. V and X only. I hope all of you remember these rules. We have already discussed. Now this one table, from this table, I think all of you get the idea how to write the Roman numerals. Here important Hindu, Arabic and Roman equivalent up to 1, 5, 10, this one value up to thousands given. This one you have to remember, then it will be easy to write the Roman numeral. Now we will start exercise 4. In exercise 4, first one question, write the following in Roman numerals. First one given 20. Now this one 20. 20 means what? 20 we can write what? 20 means 10 plus 10. 10 means here x. That means 20 is equal to, we can write x. Next B. B here given 35. B means 35. 35, this 35 we can write what? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. That means we can write what? This one x, and for 5 p. Therefore 35 we can write x, v. Next C. In C what given? 45. In C 45 given. This is the answer. And 45 means here we repeated 3 times. We can't repeat it 4 times. That's why we have to write here 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 plus 5. Now 50 means what? 50 means L. Therefore before L if we put X, then what? 50 minus X. If we write what? Left side of the greater value, then each value will be subtract. Therefore, XL plus B. Therefore, 45 we can write XL B. Now D, in D, what given? In D, 70. 70. 70 means 70 we can write what? 70 means 50 plus 10 plus 10. 50 means what? L, X, X. That's why 70 means we can write L, X, X. Next, 85. 85 we can write 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 50 means L, 10 means X, X, X and B. Because if we write the symbol getter value, right side of the getter value, then it will be 8. That's why this one L, X, X, B means 85. Therefore 85 we can write L, X, 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 B. Now F. F means 210. 210. Now 210 we can write 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 10. Okay? 100 means what? 100 means C means 100. Therefore C, C, X. Therefore 200 means we can write C, C, X. Do you understand? Then G, 100. 100, all of you know 100 means what? C. 49. This one 50 minus 1 plus 9. I think you can do. 300. 300 means 100 plus 100 plus 100. Therefore C, C, C. Okay? This Z, H, I you do yourself. Okay? Now J. J given, in J given what? In J he had given 900. Now 900 means we can repeat it not more than 3 times. That's why we can write 1000 minus 100. Now if we want to subtract, then we have to write this one value, smaller value, left side of the greater value. Now 1000 means what? 1000 means M and 100 means C. Therefore C we have to write left side of the greater value, CM. Therefore 900 means CM. That means we have done how much? A, B, C, D, E, F and J. This one I hope all of you understand, and you have to do which one? G, H and I as a homework.